So hello everyone, today we will learn the polymorphism in a Python. So let's start. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is a programming term that refers to the use of the same function name but different signature for multiple types. Oh, like that. It means we are having the same function name but we can pass the different logic in that, or we can pass the arguments, different types of arguments, and take a different types of logics in that functions and get a good results against of that. This is called as polymorphism. So example purpose, I taken here like len, len. So this is the inbuilt function of the Python. So print len hello, we used here string, so output will be the 5. In this similar case, we can use here print len 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. This is the list. It will be the output will be the 4. So these types of we do in a polymorphism. So next, let's start the coding. So we can take a one class animal. This is a good example for the polymorphism. So in this case, we can take here one common function like every animal can speak properly. That's why. So we can take a diff speak and self. In this speak print, commonly I mention the blank right now. So we can inherit this one with the class cat. So and give the inherit with the animal. So simple. After that we can use here diff speak and like use here print mouse. Mao, sorry, Mao, right, Mao. Okay, cat can speak like Mao, and similar way we can take here class dog and animal, like again diff speak, and we can print like cat is oof. Oof. He is speak like this way. Oof, oof. Or bow, bow, like that way. So we can take here one function name, like sorry, variable name, animal, and in this we can mention like cat, and second we can mention dog. So simple. Okay, this is a new way to write the object. Okay, so in this we can call like for animal in a animals. Okay, and in this we can print like animal dot speak function. So simple. In this what we did like speak is the similar function, but we can pass the same variable or same argument, anything we can pass. Right now I didn't pass, but we can pass same, and we can take a different types of results. You depends upon the his business logic. Okay, like this. So in this case cat speak differently, dog speak differently, but we can use the speak for common to do polymorphism. So let's check the output like python main.py and check. Yeah, here it is showing meow, noon, meow, meow, like this way. So this is the way to call the some polymorphism. So in another way, like we can use here cat is equals to cat, so this, and dog is equals to dog, and we can use here like cat dot speak function. Similar way, dog dot speak function, and we can hit here like Python, and here is also showing similar results, meow and oof. So this is the way to call the polymorphism. If you have any query, any doubt, then please mention the below comment and give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and keep enjoying this Python series. Thank you so much.